In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Subscript in Affinity Designer. Subscripts are perfect for things like chemical formulas, math notation, or anytime you need a smaller character that sits a little lower than the baseline. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can apply it to any design or text object you're working on. First, open the Affinity Designer app on your computer and load the document where your text lives. If you're starting fresh, create a new document and add a text object so you have something to work with. The process is the same whether you're using artistic text for headlines or frame text for paragraphs. Next, click on the text you want to edit. If you're using the Move tool, a single click selects the text object. If you want to edit characters directly, switch to the Text tool and click inside the text so you see the blinking cursor. That way, you can change only the characters you need without affecting the whole object. Now highlight the part of the text you want to format as a subscript. For example, in H2O, drag across the 2 so it's selected. This is important. If you don't highlight anything and just keep the cursor blinking, the formatting may apply to new text you type rather than the existing character. At the top of the screen, click Window. This is where you can show or hide different panels in Affinity Designer, and we're about to open the one that controls character level typography. From the Window menu, click Text to reveal the text-related panels. Then click Character. The Character panel will appear. You can dock it in your workspace or leave it floating. This panel controls things like font, spacing, and positioning, which is exactly what we need for subscripts. Inside the character panel, look for the superscript dropdown. Depending on your layout, it may be in a section related to positioning. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding the panel or scrolling within it, because some options are nested or collapsed by default. Open that dropdown and choose Subscript. The selected characters will become slightly smaller and shift downward, aligning correctly as a subscript. If nothing changes, double check that your text was highlighted. If the whole line changes, you probably had the entire text object selected. Just undo, highlight the specific characters, and try again. When you're happy with the result, click away to deselect and review your text at 100% zoom to make sure the sizing and alignment look clean. If you ever need to revert, return to the same dropdown and choose the default option to remove the subscript. And that's all it takes to create precise professional subscripts in Affinity Designer.